Hello everyone, and welcome to Georgia Institute of EMS's tutorial for how to navigate our course in utilizing SENDSS for EMS instructors. Welcome, my name is Tom Camplain, and I will be your main instructor for this continuing education course. And I first of all want to say thank you for joining us for this class, and we really appreciate you being a part of it. So let's go ahead and let's jump into this tutorial. This here is the main page, which you are probably already at, and you have probably clicked on the course tutorial, which is this video, and you're wondering what am I going to do from here? So that's what we're here for. So first off, to get started with the class is made up with a few modules. You have SENDSS Part 1, SENDSS Part 2, a final exam, and then your course completion certificate. If you notice over here, there's some check boxes, and you have to complete all of these assignments before you can get to your course completion. If you notice, I'm not able to click on anything, and it says restricted, not available unless I have finished these 3 activities. So to complete the activities, all we need to do is click on the link and putting into SENDSS, and we're going to watch the video. And all you have to do is click, play, and it's going to start the video. And you just watch the 26-minute, 37-second video, and you'll need to watch it in its entirety to get credit for the entire program. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video while we play all the way to the end, and then I will come back to you. So let me pause the video. Alright, so
your regional
welcome
director.
back.
But as far as the
see,
mechanics of how to upload
down.
your students into the SENDSS system or input that data into the SENDSS system, this is how it's done. So thank you for your time. The next section
So once it's completed, which it almost has, then we can go to the next section. Alright, so now we're done. So now we can either click this link here to take us to the next section, or we can go back to the main page. And I want to go back to the main page because I want you to see that now you have a check mark here. And that means you've completed that section, SENDSS Part 1. Next, we're going to do the same thing and watch SENDSS Part 2. So I'm going to pause the video once again and watch SENDSS Part 2, and then I'll make it to the final exam with you. So stand by. So welcome back. As you can see, I've completed SENDSS Part 2, and now I'm ready to progress into the final exam. And to get to the final exam, all I need to do is click Final Exam, and you'll see it says here, Attempt Quiz Now. Now, I'm not going to attempt this quiz quite yet because I don't want to give away all the answers, so I'm going to go to another quiz. So stand by while I open up another quiz for us to experiment with. So stand by. Okay, welcome back. So I've opened up another course with a quiz. Now quizzes and exams are ran exactly the same way. So all I need to do is click Attempt Quiz Now, and to choose the correct answer, all I do is click on the correct answer and click Next Page. Now when I click Next Page, it automatically saves that answer. You can see here that it changes colors. These are our quiz navigation menu. That's question 1, 2, and 3. I can go back to question 1 and I can change that answer if I want to and click Next Page, and it will save it. Then I'm on question 2, click Next Page, and question 3, you can choose a question. I'm just guessing here. So now it has told me I've answered my questions. I can either return to the attempt if I'd like to and change an answer if I think so, and then I can click Finish Attempt. And then if I'm done, I can click Submit All and Finish, and then one more time it's going to say, hey, are you sure? And I'm going to click it, and then it's going to kind of give me my answers, which I did not do very well. So that's how the final exam goes here. Now I'm going to pause the video again, and I'm going to go through and I'm going to take this exam so that you can see what happens next to get your certificate. Alright, welcome back, and as you can see, I've taken my final exam and I have passed it. And in order for me to pass this, I must score an 80% or higher, or it will not allow me to move to the course completion certificate. And now that I'm here at the course completion certificate, all I have to do is click on this, and it will take me to a place where I can download my certificate. And then all I got to do is click download, and my certificate will pop up. And that's my certificate. Now, let's say I am in the course. I want to go back to the course. And let's say I need to get my course completion certificate again. All I have to do is just come here and click on this, and I can log in and click on it, and I can download it anytime. Another thing I can do is I can go to my profile, and over here in my profile I can see where it says my certificates, and I can come here and I can always download my certificates by clicking this. I know it says an up button, but it is download. So, well, that's it for the tutorial for how to navigate this course. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me at tom@GAIEMS, or you can call us at 678-561-2368. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy the course.